I found my old GoPro. Now it's a GoPro 1. I don't know how well it's gonna shoot. I mean, it does 1080p, but she's old. And I don't believe the ISO, I think that's what they call it, is all that great for low light. We're gonna try it just so you guys can get like a point of view on when I do this stuff. Alright, that one. Look at that, you can see my breath. Let's come up a little bit more. Alright, that bubble's on. Holy shit, and that bubble's on. Engine's level. Alright, so what I need to do... Fuck, it's cold. You know I don't normally cuss in my videos, but damn! Tomorrow, we are going to Cleco these brackets into place. We got to drill the brackets and then mark it on the car where it's going to be welded. And then we're going to remove everything, get the surface of the frame rail cleaned up and sanded off, and then these are going to be welded on. Bill brought me over a welder, and that thing's old. Hope you guys can see it. I don't know what the point of view on this is. It's an old welder, but hopefully it's a stick welder, and it should do the job. Alright, that's on. That one's clamped in place. Oh, jeez, it's cold. I need to go back to Florida. That's all there is to it. I have not been in single-digit temperatures in 30 years, easily. Go. That is on. And we're going to cross brace those, obviously. Oh, that's something I need to check. Dead on. Well, she's even front to back.